not losing hope, how difficult it may be for not losing a hope in a situation of where we cannot see it. Today in the gospel we see such a case. A woman who was suffering for many years for some issues with losing blood. It was not only something which was very dangerous for the health, but also she was excluded from the support of her community. She was such an obstacle. She was somebody who refused not to touch, not to speak to maybe, and she is so in her suffering alone, and she is conducing a battle for her health for a very long time. She's spending a lot of money for that, and it's not bringing any result, but she's not losing her hope. And this is something which is for what you need your faith. You need your faith to maintain the hope. Because otherwise you could say, okay, I have battled for many years, no results. And so I will maybe say, I will not bring anything. But even what is the sense of that? Even if I will be cured from my illness, I will have this sensation maybe that I was abandoned for many of my friends. And so how to live in this society? What for I have to live? That maybe I will say, at once, no, I will not doing anything. I will die and end of that. But the woman of today, she has a hope. She has hope. And faith. And she touches Jesus, and Jesus is seeing her. Because sometimes we may think that faith is about only believing things that our religion, the Bible is saying. But the faith is also to see the value of your life, to see that this has a value. And you cannot neglect that, and you have to protect yourself also, and not to say, okay, I'm not of any value, may all be as it is, and I not take any steps. No, the woman is active. She makes the long battle for her being, and she is overcoming so many obstacles of being refuted, of being not wanted, and she wins because Jesus is recognizing that and putting it into show. I think that this is what a new aspect I discovered in the gospel. Thank you.